Hello everyone, a very happy morning to all of you. I hope you all are good and enjoying my sessions. Now, students, today we recite a rhyme Five Good Friends. Now, students, let's recite a rhyme Five Good Friends. Five good friends outside having fun. Five good friends outside having fun until a mother called for one. Until a mother called for one to come and eat some more. To come and eat some more. 5 minus 1, that leaves 4. 5 minus 1, that leaves 4. Four good friends outside having fun. Four good friends outside having fun until a mother called for one. Until a mother called for one to come and have some tea. To come and have some tea. 4 minus 1, that leaves 3. 4 minus 1, that leaves 3. Three good friends outside having fun until a mother called for one. Until a mother called for one to come and find her shoe. To come and find her shoe. 3 minus 1, that leaves 2. 3 minus 1, that leaves 2. Two good friends outside having fun. Two good friends outside having fun until a mother called for one. Until a mother called for one to come home till his chores were done. To come home till his chores were done. 2 minus 1, that leaves 1. 2 minus 1, that leaves 1. One good friend outside all alone. One good friend outside all alone. She stopped playing and also went home. She stopped playing and also went home. No one outside is having fun. No one outside is having fun because our friends were outside. Because all friends were outside. Now there are none. Now there are none. Students, I hope you enjoyed this time. Students, stay at home, stay safe, take care of yourself. Bye bye. Thank you. Have a good day.